Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solution Nerds. In this video I am going to show you how to display the battery percentage inside the battery icon. So let's get started. First of all, drag down the status drawer and here at top click and hold on the setting icon till it starts spinning. After spinning, release the setting icon. And here you can see System UI Tuner has been added to settings. Now slide down to bottom and at bottom System UI Tuner is added to settings. Click on System UI Tuner. Here click on Understood and now show embedded battery percentage. Enable it and see towards your battery icon. The battery percentage is now showing inside the battery icon. For more details about System UI Tuner features and functionalities, click on this video which is showing right now on the screen. And for more videos and useful updates, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and thanks for watching.